Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today to Naturally Tanya. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please take a quick second to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and click that bell right next to it so you can stay up to date whenever I upload a new video. And if you are returning to my channel, thanks for rocking with your girl. You guys know I appreciate you. And let's hop on into today's video. So today I am going to be doing a mini unboxing. I just got a Sephora package in the mail. I was going to combine my Sephora and Ulta purchases, but I think it'll just be better if I do them separate. But the Ulta haul will be in a few days, so you guys can definitely keep a lookout for that. But let's get on into the Sephora unboxing. Alright guys, so this should be a really quick haul. The first thing that I purchased from Sephora is going to be this Fenty Glossbomb in the color Fussy. Packaging looks like this. And I did do a review on this gloss already. This is just a repurchase because my other gloss is low, and so it's like we need to repurchase this bad boy. So packaging like this. I love this shade. It's such a great like everyday color, and I feel like it looks good on so many different skin tones. So it's a win. You know, Riri is doing her thing out here in these streets. I also picked up this Glossbomb cream in the color Mauve Wives. Now this I haven't tried before. These are relatively new. Packaging is similar, it just has the cream. And I'm gonna see how this color looks because online I just figured it was gonna be a really nice, fun, everyday type of like summery, pinky sort of color. It looks kind of like my sweater that I'm wearing now. Let's see. And there's nothing on my lips right now besides like chapstick. I like this. It's like a nice sheer pigmented, like there's some color to it, but it's not too much. Drop a comment, let me know what you think, but I think I like this color. This is a really nice everyday sort of color. It's very similar to the Fussy. I think the Fussy is just more of a sheer color. It's a little bit more on the pink side. So this is what both of these are looking like side by side. Alright, and the next thing that I got, which is the main thing that I wanted to order to try, is the Fenty Beauty Easy Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I picked it up in the shade 17. And I was going based on the recommendations online according to what I use in my Fenty foundation, so hopefully this should be a good color match. I was on the fence about what color to choose because I feel like in the summertime, you know, I get a little tan, so I was just a little bit concerned, but I think this should still be an overall good color match. And I wanted to go ahead and get this because it's light to medium coverage. And it says it's supposed to blend and blur to instant perfection and feel light as air. It's also supposed to be like heat resistant and humidity resistant. So this is the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's very sleek and compact. It's like really nice for traveling as well. It looks like just to throw in your purse. Let's see if I can get the what type of, oh, and it's a cute little squeeze. That's not the type of applicator, that's not the correct term, but as we can see here, it's just like a little, I think you squeeze it and it'll come out. So let me go ahead and swatch a little bit of it and see what we got. I'll show you. Blends really nicely on my hands. You can see more of a like a flawless luminous finish over here versus this one. So I think I'm gonna really like it. I'm excited. I'll definitely do a separate review for this particular product, but my first impression is it's going to be another win for Fenty Beauty, really. All right, and then that pretty much for the most part concludes this mini haul. The only other items I'm gonna mention are just like the little free things that came with my order. You know, Sephora is always good about giving you some free samples of something. So I have the Sephora collection, the Lipstories. It is a little sample of, let's see what colors. Owie, Palm Street, Treat Yourself, and Yum. The Treat Yourself is more of a yellowy metallic lip color, which is going to be very interesting for me to try because I don't really I wear bright lip colors, but not like yellow. And then I also got this, it's a cute little sample of this YSL lipstick in the color Rouge. I have never tried any YSL products, guys, so this will be very interesting for me. Because, you know, I'm all about saving the coins. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, you get quite a bit of product in here. This is what the color looks like. It's a really pretty red. Oh my goodness, it feels so luxurious. Like it has a really nice creamy sort of finish to it. I'm here for it. I feel like this is about to be another win. Might get myself hooked on some high-end products, but that's okay. So that pretty much concludes this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Share it with a friend. And of course, follow me on social media if you're not already. And until next time, bye guys.